Hi everyone, I'm Mia Voss, and I've decided I'm coming up with a new show. It's called Mia and Peter, because I don't speak that much Italian, and your English is the best. So tell me a few things in English.
In English, I speak a little English.
You sing in English. Cantare. He sings.
Ah, sì.
See, this was our whole day yesterday in Venice. Was me going, okay, what? And this one.
I hope to sperare, learn to speak English, but
He's working on it.
I have not the time because I work in the farm.
Everything he does is fun. Don't let the smooth taste fool you, okay?
For speak for Mia, I must study English.
And I must start Italian.
I speak for me.
They love him. Go ahead.
Spero di andare anche a Denver, in Colorado, a find Mia.
He hopes to come to Colorado to find you.
Quando
He will be looking. He will going to be looking for you.
What did you say yesterday? He said, "Oh, Colorado's so beautiful," and Pia said, "Oh, have you been?" He's like, "Nope." All right, that's it. This is a new show, the Mia and Peter show. See? A little Italian and a little English. Ciao.
Ciao, bye bye. Bye bye Mia. Divertiti in Italy.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
I love it. Ciao.
Ok, ciao, bye bye. Bye bye. Bobo.
Enjoy.
A lot of people.
His last name is Lot. So a lot of.
I thought it was.
Lot.
It said,
And the name for the show, a lot of.
Lot è un cognome. Lot è un cognome biblico. Lot, figlio di Esau, è antico.
Is biblical. Is a biblical last name.
Oh.
If you
like Lot?
Lot.
That guy?
Yeah, that's his grandfather.
He's that old.
Nonno.
No. 800.000 non.
2000 anni.
No, più di 2000 anni. Lot, quelli della Bibbia, e 2000, 5000 anni. No, 5000 anni.
This is why nobody wants to marry him. Nobody wants to be Lot's wife. You get it? Tell him.
La vita è per quello che nessuno vuole sposarti, perché nessuno vuole essere la moglie di Lot. Tu sai che vide che è diventato una statua di sale la moglie di Lot.
See, like, no, nobody wants to be Lot's wife.
Oh, that's a good one.
Facevi col sale.
I guess a good one.
Sì.
What was that one?
Probably the husband of Lot had salt for all his life. When he makes spaghetti, he can go to his wife e poi a fare spaghetti con la moglie. No?
Ma you are single o separata?
What are you? Single, separated? Yes.
Newly separated.
Separata.
Tell him about the ex-boyfriend. That might scare him.
No, è separata.
Oh, but I love how you thought the ex-boyfriend was the pimp, the drug dealer, and he's a policeman because of the costume.
Allora l'aveva un moroso, no? E l'ha messo la foto del moroso, no? Mamma mia, sto qua, lei è un spacciatore di droga, come che l'era vestito, no? Come fare ad andare in giro con così? E invece l'era il costume di Halloween e l'era un poliziotto.
Era un infiltrato?
Sì, l'era un poliziotto.
Vabbè.
Okay.
Bene,
You
dai.
ready? It's 10, so we probably better.
In
Ah,
July,
what time
we
is the excuse.
in July we have a concert for the 100 years, the last war, the first war.
First war.
That's this
Yeah,
year, right?
I'll make a clip of it and I'll send it to you, and you restart it. You know,
Yes, I love that. And no, is it the symphony again?
Symphony.
Symphony Orchestra.
Number one?
Is the number one in Veneto symphonic orchestra who's going to be playing here, which is the same they played when was it, 3 years ago.
3 years.
3 years ago. For the very first time in the history of the villa, that was the first concert they ever made right there.
Was
Vero?
it wonderful? I bet it was beautiful.
It was, and it was a nice July evening with the stars and with the warm, and everything was fine. And
Lucky.
the
We were lucky.
yeah, lucky, veramente. And the field was full with people. You know, they put the chairs there.
Nice.
And you have
Magic.
video, you have video of it.
I have
Fantastic.
3 or 4 videos of it.
E quello delle ragazze, c'è...
Quale ragazzo?
No, c'è due anni fa,
La selezione
della selezione del concorso.
del concorso.
Canoro.
Non c'ero,
Eri via allora?
non c'ero.
Gara, belle voci.
No, quello non
c'eri?
No, non c'ero.
Eri via.
Che dopo ho vinto. Era una là, può darsi?
No, erano tutti internazionali.
So it's
It
a little
kept,
bit.
it kept rolling.
It's a
Hanno
little bit
fatto
before 10. Are we good?
vincitore, hanno
What time is the train? Do you remember? 10:38?
12:55.
No, from Conegliano.
No, you were gonna look it up.
direttore,
You said you were gonna
ex-direttore.
Yeah,
Yeah, so-
it's 10:38.
Ooh, we need a vote.
Yeah.
Satella.